Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel that is Learning and Programming with Chetan. Today, in this particular video, we will going to discuss about Java programming language, its various features, and we will also discuss about its various uses. So, Java is an object-oriented, most powerful programming language in the world. What makes it most powerful is its various features. So let us discuss about its various features. First and the foremost is that Java is a platform independent language. And what makes its platform independent is JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. In Java, we compile our source code to generate a bytecode. Now, this bytecode is converted into a machine code by using platform which is known as Java Virtual Machine. JVM provides a runtime environment for the execution of this bytecode. So JVM is a virtual machine that is not physically present and it is different for different platforms. So here you need to understand one thing, that in Java we generate a bytecode for a .class file. Now this bytecode can be used or can be executed at any machine by the help of JVM. This makes Java a platform independent language. Now the second and the most important feature of Java programming language is that Java is object oriented. That is, if we see that everything around us is an object. I am an object, you are an object. The mobile or the laptop which you are using to view this YouTube video is also an object. So everything in Java is an object. An object is a real world entity which have properties and behaviors. So Java operates on these objects to solve the real world problems. Now there are various concepts of object oriented programming language, that is OOPS, and those are object, class, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction, and inheritance. We will discuss about all these object-oriented programming features in a separate video. Now the next feature make Java powerful language is that Java is an open source programming language that is available free to us. There are various other features like Java is simple to learn and easy to use. Apart from this, Java is secure, fast, and a most powerful language. Also, Java is portable and dynamic in nature. And also, one of the important features of Java is that it is used for multi-threading and multi-processing applications. That is, we can perform multiple tasks at the same time. Suppose let's take an example. Currently we are watching a YouTube video on our laptop screen, or it can be a system or a mobile. Now on your laptop you're watching a video, at the same time your clock is running, at the same time some music is running in the background. You have also opened a browser window where might be visiting some sites, or you might be writing a mail at the same time. So what you are actually doing here is you are working on multiple tasks at the same time. So same thing we can do by using Java language. So let us discuss about the various uses of Java programming language. First of all, Java is used to develop mobile applications. It is also used to develop desktop applications like Paint, it is Microsoft Word, all the Office tools, the calculator applications, all the similar type of applications can be made by Java programming language. Also, it can be used for web servers as well as for application servers. Java is, because of its multiprocessing and multitasking feature, it can be used to develop various games. Java can also be used in robotics and in embedded system. Also, Java is used to develop enterprise applications like banking system, like our various shopping mall applications. If you'll see Flipkart, Amazons, and various other applications, they can be developed by using Java programming language. These are some of the features and uses of Java programming language. In our next video, we will discuss about all of these features in details. Do like, comment, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the latest updates. Wish you all the very best for your learning.